What if I told you that the very first thing you drink in the morning could either fire up your metabolism like a fat-burning furnace, or slow it down like a sleepy sloth on a Sunday afternoon? Sounds dramatic? Well, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 10 powerful morning drinks backed by science that could rev up your metabolism, help you burn fat more efficiently, and boost your energy, without fancy supplements or extreme diets. And here's a fun challenge for you. Can you guess which drink not only burns fat but also helps you feel calm and focused at the same time? Drop your guess in the comments. Oh, and don't miss number 7, it's a spice-based drink that's been used for centuries and might just be sitting in your kitchen right now. Quick disclaimer before we dive in, this video is for educational purposes only. Always talk to your doctor if you have health conditions or are on medications. These drinks support metabolism, but they're not magic potions. Pair them with a balanced diet, good sleep, and regular movement for best results. Your metabolism isn't just about weight loss, it's your body's energy engine. The better it functions, the better you feel, think, move, and even sleep. And guess what? What you drink in the first hour after waking up can play a huge role in resetting your metabolism for the entire day. Let's start with drink number 1, the Calm Energy Powerhouse. 1. Lemon water, the detoxifying wake-up call. Vitamin C, antioxidants, and a zesty kick, that's lemon water for you. Drinking it first thing helps reduce oxidative stress, stimulate digestive enzymes, and can enhance fat breakdown. Pro tip: use a straw to protect your tooth enamel. Mix half a lemon in warm water, simple and powerful. Do you start your day with lemon water already? Comment, Team Lemon, if you do. 2. Green tea, the Zen metabolism booster. Green tea isn't just your yoga-loving friend's favorite beverage. It's packed with catechins, especially one called EGCG, which has been shown to boost thermogenesis, a fancy word for heat production and fat burning. Bonus: it contains L-theanine, an amino acid that gives you calm, focused energy, like espresso's cool cousin that meditates. Suggested, 1 to 2 cups in the morning. Skip it on an empty stomach if you're sensitive, it can be a bit acidic. 3. Black coffee, the classic fat burner. Caffeine is like the jumpstart your metabolism needs. It increases adrenaline levels, boosts adiponectin, a fat-burning hormone, and helps break down fat for energy. But here's the trick: no sugar, no cream. Just pure, black coffee. Stick to 1 to 2 cups in the morning. Too much can cause jitters or digestion issues, know your limit. 4. Apple cider vinegar plus water, the gut-friendly metabolic booster. ACV contains acetic acid, which helps improve insulin sensitivity and promotes fat metabolism. It's also been shown to lower blood sugar spikes after meals, making it a favorite in the wellness world. Mix 1 tablespoon in a glass of water before breakfast. Don't go overboard, it's strong stuff and can harm your teeth and stomach in high doses. 5. Matcha, the supercharged green tea. Matcha is like green tea on steroids, more antioxidants, more EGCG, and a cleaner energy boost with less crash. It boosts thermogenesis, keeps you alert, and fights oxidative stress. 1 teaspoon of matcha whisked into warm water or almond milk equals morning magic. 6. Ginger tea, the spicy metabolism hero. Ginger isn't just for nausea, it stimulates digestion, enhances nutrient absorption, and balances blood sugar levels. Studies show it can help with weight management and even improve cholesterol markers. Brew 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh grated ginger in hot water. May cause heartburn in some, start small. Which of these drinks would you never guess helps burn fat? Keep watching, we've got a few surprising ones coming up. 7. Warm water with cinnamon, the sweet trick for blood sugar control. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting blood sugar. It also boosts gut health by enhancing enzyme activity. In one study, people with metabolic syndrome saw significant improvements after just 12 weeks of daily cinnamon intake. Mix half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia, into warm water. 8. Turmeric latte, golden milk, the anti-inflammatory elixir. Curcumin in turmeric fights inflammation, a hidden enemy of metabolism. Pair it with black pepper to enhance absorption and enjoy benefits like improved fat metabolism, reduced joint pain, and better mood. Bonus: add cinnamon for blood sugar balance. Drink it warm, 3 to 4 times a week. May interact with medications, ask your doc if unsure. 9. Yerba mate, the metabolism tea of South America. This South American staple is rich in polyphenols, caffeine, and saponins, a trio that supports fat oxidation, insulin sensitivity, and mental clarity. It's like green tea and coffee had a brainy baby. 1 cup in the morning is perfect, but don't overdo it, especially if you're caffeine sensitive. 10. Coconut water, the natural metabolic hydrator. Last but not least, coconut water. It's rich in potassium, magnesium, and cytokinins, which help fight oxidative stress and support muscle energy and electrolyte balance. Perfect after a morning walk or light workout. Look for unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugar. So there you have it, 10 metabolism-boosting drinks to energize your mornings and fire up your fat-burning engines. Comment below, which drink are you trying tomorrow morning? Or are you brave enough to try all 10 this week? Like this video if you learned something new, share it with a friend who needs a metabolism boost, drop a comment with your favorite drink, and of course, smash that subscribe button like your metabolism depends on it.